we write it together. I write here, you write here. The first letter is ha. This is ha, and it is at the beginning of the word. Ha. No. Ha. Then this is the aleph. Then aleph cannot be touched from left. Aleph cannot be touched from left.
阿里左边不能接东西。
Ha. Okay. Now leave the aleph. Then lam. Then kaf at the end. But the lam and kaf, they should be together, and
那
the
跟
kaf
它要连在一起，
should be longer and
然后
shorter.
它要长一点，尾巴要长一点。
Okay, so ha, lu, ka. Ha, lu, ka. Okay, thank you. Ha, lu, ka. Okay, so number 3 is kaifa haluka. Haluka. Okay, now number 4, sister Fatima.
第四题，
بخير الحمد لله.
Okay, so number 4, you decide to say بخير alhamdulillah. This is if we want to say more things. You still can only say بخير, or you can only say alhamdulillah, or you can say alhamdulillah بخير, or you can say بخير alhamdulillah. And Sister Fatima, she decided to say بخير alhamdulillah. This means that she is ready to write 3 words. So come and write. Here is the next. First بخير. Then okay, but this one we don't write it like this. We write it like this. So rewrite it again. Okay, thank you. بخير الحمد لله بخير الحمد لله. Then, so he already finished asking, and then he already finished answering,
他已经回答了，
and he is asking back.
然后他又再反问。
Sister Asan, number 4,
第四题，
but the second one.
第四题的第二个答案，
Java. What is the first word? It is written already.
第一个字已经写好了。
No, first you tell me before you come. You are very ready to come. No, first you come.
我已经想好答案。
Okay, first the answer. Give me the answer first.
What is your question?
No, there is no question. He already answered. He already said Alhamdulillah.
他已经回答了，
Then he is asking back.
然后他又再反问。
كيف أنت؟
No, wait. Kaifa is okay. Then Haluki. Yeah, but then what did you add? You add something after Haluki. What did you say? No. You said Kaifa Haluki. Then what did you say? No, there is no anta. Okay.
可以帮他录题，后面就不用再讲晚安他。
So Kaifa Haluki. Okay. But if you want, you can say Kaifa Haluki Anti.
可以讲可以帮他录题按题。
Not wa anti. Wa means and.
哇的话是而且，
If it is enough to say Kaifa Haluki.
讲可以帮他录题就可以了。
Okay, but if you want, you can say Kaifa Haluki Anti.
那你可以讲可以帮他录题按题。
Means, and you, how are you?
那你
Okay.
呢？你好吗？
Okay. Now you come and write it for us, please. You can, just come. We will help you. Don't worry. Okay, first we need to write kaifa. So kaifa is kaf, ya, Fa. You remind me when I was 15 years old. She rolled it over her hand. Okay. So first kaf. Kaf. Kaf at the beginning of the word. Okay, then ya.
Yeah.
Ya at the middle of the word. Yeah, at the middle of the word it is like this. Okay, so ya at the middle of the word. Yeah, but it should be straight. Yeah, but this is lam, becomes so big. Only make it shorter. Yes, okay. Then 2 dots down. Then fa at the end of the word. We have to close it. Fa at the end of the word. Yes, no. This is kaf, or this is kaf, right? This is ya. Then fa. And then we have to close it. Long and up. And 1 dot. Yes. Now, there is something. Wait, don't go. There is something. Fa, remember when it is at the beginning of the word, it has a small neck.
那个发如果是在句首的话，它就是有点脖子，就是有点
Now,
比较高一点。
this is only when it is at the beginning of the
只有
word.
在字首才要这样子，
But when it is at the middle,
在字
see,
中的
no
话
neck.
就没有脖子，
And when it is at the end, also no
在
neck.
字尾也没有脖子，
Only when it is at the middle, at the beginning, there is a small
只
neck.
有在字首有一个小的脖子。
Okay, so this is kaifa. Then the second word, haluki. So the first letter is ha. Alif, ba, da, fa, jim, ha. Okay, ha. Then lam, lu. Then the lam, okay, here there is another thing. This is alif. Okay, but this is lam. We have to put this. This is lam when it is at the middle, at the beginning of the word, or at the middle.
让在那个句字
But
首它
when
才
it is at the end of the word, see, this is lam when it is at the beginning or at the middle.
字首或字中，
But when it is at the end, it goes, we have to close it, goes under the line a little,
字尾
then
的
up.
话要往下再勾起来。
This when it is at the end of the word. Okay? So this is lam when it is at the middle. Then we need the kaf. Kaf, this is kaf when it is at the beginning of the word.
它不在字首这样写，
It is the same when it is at the middle of the word.
在字中也是这样写。
But when it is at the end of the word,
在字尾的话，好，
this is the line.
现在这
We
里
need to close it, same as lam, but it is flat.
要平的，
And we have
然
this.
后长的，然后扎出来。
Okay, so, okay, but they have to be linked. The
要
lam
连
and
起来
kaf,
，lam 跟 ka 要
they
连起来
should be here together. Okay, and we need to put the mark to know, but actually it is he, because he was talking to her. Okay, thank you, sister. So, kaifa haluki. Kaifa haluki. Okay, then number.
So the fourth, the alhamdulillah, he, right?
Yeah, if you want to make it very standard, then number 4 up, it should be as what Sister Fatima said. For example, بخير الحمد لله, because he didn't finish talking yet.
就是第四个第一个答案的话，因为它下面还有在发问。如果说你是马上这样讲的话，那 alhamdulillah 就要变成 he。
He, alhamdulillah. Okay? Then he asked, كيف حالك? So now number 5, sister.
再来第5题，
بخير. بخير. Okay, so please come and write بخير for us. And Remind me your name. Samia. Samia. B? No, this is not B. Okay. Then we need. Okay. Then we need. Okay, thank you. B. خير. بخير. 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 Now here is the thing. Actually, we still can answer in different ways. Remember? Either we say بخير or we say Alhamdulillah or we say بخير Alhamdulillah or we say Alhamdulillah بخير or if we want we still can say أنا بخير.
这几种回答都可以，然后后面这个安娜，
What is the meaning of أنا? I.
我的意思。
Okay? We still can say أنا بخير, but it is not really important. I'm just giving you all the ways how to answer.
安娜可以，这个也可以，也可以这样讲。
Okay? So now,
For
Yes.
number 1 and number 2, there are other answers, right?
number 1, Assalamu alaikum.
You can say alayki.
We can say alayki, but as we said before, that it is not very polite. Okay?
说第一题你可以讲 Assalamu alaikum，不过这样比较不礼貌。
Okay? We still can say, because here a female talking to a female, she still can tell her, she still can say Assalamu alayki. But it is not really very polite. It's still okay. Okay? Still okay. But better to say Assalamu alaikum. Okay? Now, any questions so far about page 16? If no, we go to page 17. No questions? Okay, so means no questions. Now we go to page 17. Number 1 on page 17, it is كيف حالك. لا, sorry, حالك. كيف حالك. Okay, now brother.
John.
Yeah, but he came before. You were not here last week.
No, next week I didn't come.
Last week?
2 weeks ago.
Okay. So then we go to Brother Ibrahim. Brother Ibrahim. You were here last week, right?
上礼拜有来上课。
Okay. So number 2,
第二题，
we need. See number 1, it is كيف حالك, right?
第一题是可以发好，
كيف حالك means how are you single female.
就是你女性单数。
Now number 2, we want to know how to say how are you two.
就是第二题，就是说你们两个好不好？
Brother Ibrahim. The full sentence. The full sentence. What is the first word should be?
第一个字要怎么讲？
How is
كيف
okay? كيف then you two.
你们两个。
ثم
Yes. So